Creating AI product commercials doesn't have to mean spending hours generating one scene at a time and struggling to keep everything consistent. With Google Flow Agent, you can plan your entire commercial using a storyboard and a single detailed prompt, then let the AI handle the hard work for you. In this tutorial, I'll show you my complete workflow for creating a professional AI product commercial from start to finish. And to show you what's possible, let's first watch the final commercial we'll be creating in this video.
Every moment is yours to own. One spray of Glad awakens confidence, elegance, and unforgettable presence. Step out, stand tall, turn heads. Glad eau de parfum. Smell nice, live boldly.
Now, one thing I want you to know before we begin is that this workflow isn't just for creating perfume commercials. Once you understand the process, you can use it to advertise almost any product you can think of. Whether it's a smartwatch, a soft drink, a pair of sneakers, a luxury watch, or even a piece of furniture, the workflow remains exactly the same. For today's tutorial, though, I'll be creating a commercial for a perfume called Glad. The first thing you want to do is head over to ChatGPT. I've already included the master prompt in the description below, so simply copy it and paste it into a new chat. Once you've done that, upload a clear, high-quality image of your product. In my case, I'll upload an image of the Glad perfume bottle. I always recommend using the best product image you have. Make sure it's sharp, well-lit, and clearly shows the design of the bottle, because this image is what ChatGPT will use as a visual reference while planning your commercial. The better the reference image, the better the storyboard usually turns out. Now, don't worry if you aren't promoting a perfume. The master prompt was intentionally built with placeholders, so you don't have to rewrite everything from scratch. Simply replace the sample product details with your own product information, and you're good to go. If you scroll all the way to the bottom of the prompt, you'll notice the final instruction asks ChatGPT to create a 12-frame storyboard for your commercial. The storyboard isn't just a collection of random images. Every frame represents a different camera angle or scene, and together they tell one complete story about your product. You'll typically see a mixture of wide shots, close-ups, tracking shots, overhead shots, hero product shots, and lifestyle scenes that make the commercial feel much more cinematic. However, instead of generating all 12 frames in a single image, we're going to split them into two separate storyboard images. The first image will contain frames 1 through 6. Then, once ChatGPT finishes generating that storyboard, all you have to do is type Next, and it'll automatically generate frames 7 through 12 as your second storyboard. Now, you might be asking yourself why we're doing this instead of simply generating all 12 frames at once. The reason is actually very simple. From my testing, Google Flow Agent produces much better animations when it's working with smaller storyboard sequences. If you give it all 12 frames in one large storyboard, it sometimes skips details, mixes up scenes, or loses consistency between shots. By splitting the storyboard into two groups of 6 frames, you're giving the AI a much smaller section to focus on at a time. That usually results in cleaner animations, smoother scene transitions, and much better product consistency throughout the commercial. So once everything is ready, send the prompt and give ChatGPT a few moments to generate your first storyboard. Here are the first 6 frames it created for me. Honestly, I think this came out really well. The camera angles are varied, the scenes flow naturally from one to the next, and it already feels like the beginning of a real perfume commercial. Once your first storyboard is ready, go back into the same conversation and simply type Next. Because the AI already understands the story, it'll continue where it left off and generate the remaining 6 frames for you. After that's finished, you'll have 2 storyboard images that together make up your complete 12-scene commercial. Go ahead and download both images because we'll need them in the next step. Now it's time to bring those storyboards to life. Open Google Flow and create a brand new project. Before doing anything else, make sure Agent Mode is turned on, because that's the feature doing most of the heavy lifting in this workflow. Next, Upload the first storyboard image into your project. Then use this prompt. Animate this perfume commercial storyboard. Make it cinematic, realistic, and professionally directed. Follow every scene exactly as shown in the storyboard. Preserve the product's appearance throughout the commercial. Do not add subtitles, captions, logos, or on-screen text. No voiceover. Generate in 16:9 landscape format. As you can see, the prompt itself is actually very simple. That's because we've already done most of the planning inside ChatGPT. The storyboard already tells Google Flow what should happen in each scene, so Agent Mode simply uses that visual plan to generate the animation. Instead of creating one shot after another manually, Agent Mode attempts to animate the entire storyboard while preserving the camera movements, scene progression, and overall storytelling. This saves an incredible amount of time compared to building every single scene individually. Here's the result I got. I think it looks fantastic. Now, I do want to mention one thing. Google Flow is incredibly powerful, but like every AI tool, it won't always produce the perfect result on the first attempt. If a scene doesn't look right, or maybe the product isn't positioned exactly how you imagined, don't be afraid to generate it again. Sometimes a second or third generation produces a much stronger result, and if necessary, you can also make small adjustments to your prompt before trying again. Once you're happy with the first animation, repeat the exact same process with your second storyboard. Upload it. Use the exact same prompt, then let Google Flow generate the remaining scenes. When both animations are complete, you'll have two professional-looking video clips that together form your entire commercial. Download them. Now that we have our visuals, it's time to give the commercial a voice. Head back over to ChatGPT and ask it to write a 15-second commercial voiceover for your Glad perfume. Since ChatGPT already knows everything about the product from the storyboard prompt we used earlier, it'll generate a script that's perfectly suited to your advertisement. Once your script is ready, copy it and head over to 11 Labs through the link in this video description. Open the text-to-speech section and paste your script into the editor. 11 Labs gives free users plenty of credits to work with, so unless you're generating hundreds of voiceovers every day, the free plan should be more than enough. Browse through the available voices and choose one that best matches the mood of your commercial. Since this is a luxury perfume advertisement, I'll choose a calm, elegant voice that sounds premium and sophisticated. Generate the audio, listen to it once to make sure you're happy with it, and then download the finished voiceover. Now we have everything we need. Our animated scenes, our voiceover. All that's left is putting everything together. I'm going to use CapCut for this part, but honestly, you can use any video editor you're comfortable with. Import both Google Flow clips into your timeline and arrange them in the correct order. Watch through the commercial once and trim away any sections that feel unnecessary or don't quite fit the pacing you're going for. Next, drag your voiceover underneath the video clips and line everything up so the narration naturally matches what's happening on screen. After that, add some background music to help establish the mood. For this perfume commercial, I'm choosing a soft cinematic music track because it gives the advertisement a premium, luxurious feeling. Don't stop there though. Adding small sound effects can make a huge difference. Simple sounds like a perfume spray, soft footsteps, fabric movement, gentle wind, or subtle ambient effects can make your commercial feel much more immersive and polished. One thing you should also pay attention to is the original audio that Google Flow sometimes generates. Occasionally, your clips may already include background music or environmental sounds. If that's the case, simply reduce the clip volume or mute it completely so it doesn't clash with your own soundtrack and voiceover. Once you're satisfied with everything, export your finished commercial. And that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found this workflow helpful. If you did, don't forget to like the video because it really helps the channel. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.